Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a review on the all-new Alpinestars Viper Air 2 Textile Jacket. $199 is the retail price for the Viper Air. Please understand, we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been redesigned, as in the case of the Viper V2 jacket. Who is this coat right for? Well, that's really simple. This is a kick-ass hot weather riding jacket from Alpinestars. One of the cool features it offers a removable, lightweight, wind-breaking liner that's perfect when you're looking to extend the amount of time during the season you can use this coat. It'll really help take the edge off in those cool mornings or those cool evening rides. Let's talk sizing. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, about 205 pounds, 33-inch waist. I'm wearing a size extra large right now in the Viper Air V2 jacket. I have the liner in, which does take up just a little bit of volume. This is the fit I like. I think this is appropriate for me. You can use the size chart we have on the site along with this information to help you choose the right size for yourself. So, breaking this coat down. The mesh they use on this is super sweet. This is like a thick, robust, like a spacer style mesh. It has some dimension to it. It's got a cool hand to it as well. It's nice to see that at just under $200. Also, they use a heavier gauge zip. The logos on it are all embroidered. Instead of the screen printed stuff, these are embroidered on, so they're going to last longer. They're going to look better for you longer. Hand warmer style storage pockets with zips both sides. And I'd like to point out, look at the size of that pocket. Easily big enough to get your hand in and out with gloves on. That's pretty cool. It just makes it more usable when you're on the motorcycle. Internal storage pockets. We have a waterproof storage pocket inside on the left, and we have a non-waterproof storage pocket internally over here on the right side. Volume adjustment here at the cuff, here at the sleeve. Volume adjustment here at the waist. The back of this coat has this storage pocket right here, zippered storage. It is really big. Probably a great place, say if you pull that inner liner out, you're out riding around, you need somewhere to put it, you can slide it in there. It's important to note, you don't want to put anything that's really hard in there in case you do come off the bike. This is a kick-ass, warm weather riding coat. Extends the seasonality a little bit with that wind-breaking inner liner. If you want more details, just stay tuned for the second part. We're going to take it apart and give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, now an inside-out look of the Viper 2 Air Textile Jacket. The armor that's included with this coat is in the elbows and forearms. This is CE certified. It's like a net style armor. This material is temperature sensitive. Warmer it gets, more comfortable it becomes. Moldable, flexible, a lot of protection there. Here is the shoulder piece. Previously, the Alpinestars jacket would come with a foam insert in the back as well as in the chest. Really didn't offer any protection. It was just kind of there taking up space inside the coat. That is no longer the case. There are, however, as there has always been, options available for upgraded inserts for the chest and the back. In the chest, you have your Nucleon chest inserts. These are available for both sides, $39. Have them on the site, sold separate. You can see that they're perforated to maintain that same airflow you're going to have with this mesh chassis. This stuff is temperature sensitive, just like that. The warmer it gets, the more moldable, flexible, and comfortable it becomes. Right and left side, we'll show you how to install it in the jacket here as we get further into the video. Back protection, we have three options available. Prices span from $39 and go up to $79. The one I'm showing you right here is the KR2. It is right in the middle of the two at $59. Same material that we use in the chest. Adds a lot of protection to the coat. Highly recommend adding that on when you do this, especially considering the reasonable price this jacket sells for. This has a fully removable, wind-breaking liner. This is perfect for when you have those mornings or evenings where, the sun's down, it's early or late season riding, you just need to take the edge off a little bit so you can keep using your hot weather jacket. It is super thin, low pro, so you can easily take that off. They actually even have a pocket in the back of this jacket where you could utilize to slide that in. Shell of the coat itself. It uses this real large weave mesh. I like this. Has a cool look to it. Embroidered A-Star logo. Mesh up here at the top. Cool color blocking. Here is that pocket I spoke about earlier. Spans all the way across the back. Whatever you do, don't put anything hard back there in case you fall off the bike. You don't want to create an injury. Volume adjuster here at the waist with Velcro and Textile. Sleeve of the coat, this is also pretty bitchin'. That is embroidered once again. That stuff's higher inch. It's going to last longer. It looks like a little shoulder slider. Textile fabric all throughout the sleeve. Here is reflective here in the elbow area. Volume adjuster in the bicep area. Volume adjuster here in the cuff. It's got a little comfort roll fabric there at the termination. Front of the coat. That large mesh. Man, it's almost like a spacer mesh. I really dig this stuff, and I like these aggressive zips they used on it too. It's just a different look for them. Embroidered iconic A-Star logo there, split by the zipper on the chest. Hand warmer style storage pockets both sides, and you can see these are large pockets. Like, look at the size of the opening there. Okay, so you're going to be able to get in and out of these with gloves on, which is kind of cool. Comfort fabric lined collar. Inside the coat, we have a waterproof pocket here on the left breast. On the right breast, we have a Velcro closure style pocket. These are both pretty big. They're going to hold plenty of stuff. That liner that's removable actually snaps in here, lapel on both sides. We have a full circumference zip to pants attachment. It's going to work with the A-Stars Textile pants if you want to upgrade and have a two-piece suit. To access the chest armor, the elbow, or the shoulder armor, there is a zipper down here at the tail of the jacket. You have to open that up like so. We'll show you for the chest what it takes to install that. They're clearly marked which side is which. You want to make sure you find the right one. This is for the left. Zip that pocket open, get up inside the liner of the coat. We'll kind of turn this inside out so we can give you a good close-up look of it. Pretty simple stuff. That pocket is designed in the shape of the chest armor. Get the Velcro released, slide that up inside. Get your Velcro reattached. Tuck everything back in, and you're good to go on the chest. The back insert is super simple. Works best if it's a little bit warm, it's just more moldable. Slide it inside, like so, fold it over, kind of flatten it out. Once you have the jacket on, get some heat into it, it becomes even more comfortable. What do I think of the coat? I think at $199, it's a lot of value. I really like the look and the feel of this heavy mesh and the contrast with these more aggressive looking zips. Normally they use the finer zips on the A-Star coats. I dig what they did here. I like the value. I recommend the armor upgrades too. Get yourself a great warm weather riding jacket. This is the Alpinestars Viper V2 Air Jacket.